Hey guys, and welcome to Saturday's session. So for our warm-up, you're going to do 10, 20, 30 reps of the following movements. 10 plank shoulder taps in our plank position. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. The next one is 10 jumping squats. So squat, a nice little jump afterwards. Arm circles, so do half of the reps forwards and the other half backwards. And then leg swings. So again, we're going to swing forwards and backwards. So it's half the reps on one leg, half the reps on the other. Then we've got 2 AMRAPs. The first one is going to be a 6-minute AMRAP. Now both of these are ascending reps, which means every round you're going to add a certain number of reps on. The first one is 2 power cleans and then 10 single skips. Now it's single skips, whether you can do double unders or not. With the power cleans, you can either use a barbell, in which case it would be about 40 or 25, okay? Power cleans, so from the floor to the shoulder, the kettlebell or dumbbell from the floor to the shoulder, standing tall at the top of the rep. So 2 reps, then 10 skips. You're going to increase the cleans by 2 reps every round. So in round 1, you do 2 cleans. In round 2, you do 4 cleans. Round 3, you do 6 cleans, and so on. The skips, you're going to add 10 skips on every round. So for round 1, it's 10 skips. Round 2, 20 skips. Round 3, 30 skips. If you don't have a rope, it's going to be star jumps for the first round. Okay, so everybody, whether you've got double unders or not, should be single skips in the first AMRAP. After 6 minutes, you're then going to have a 3-minute rest, and then we're going to go into an 8-minute AMRAP, and we're just going to increase the skill complexity a little bit. We're going to increase our weight on our bar if you're using a barbell. So if you used 40 in round number 1, you're going to use 50 or 60 for number 2, depending on where your capacity is. But now we're going to be doing a squat clean. If you obviously only have one dumbbell or kettlebell, don't worry, same weight. If you struggle with squat cleans, keep the same weight, or maybe even lower it a little bit. So we'll play around with that. So 1 squat clean, and you're going to increase by 1 rep every round. So round 1, you do 1 squat clean. In round 2, you do 2 squat cleans. In round 3, 3 squat cleans, and so on. And then we're going to do double unders. So it's 10 double unders, and you're going to increase by 10 every round. But if you don't have double unders, or if you don't have a rope and you haven't been skipping, you're going to do tuck jumps instead. But I'm going to be nice, and you're going to start with 10 tuck jumps, and you're going to increase by 5 every round. Okay, so with double unders, you're increasing by 10. If you're doing tuck jumps, you're increasing by 5. So for the squat clean, kettlebell or dumbbell, stand tall and squat underneath it. Okay, with our barbell, it's the same concept. Get up to here, and we're going to drop underneath that bar and stand it tall. Okay, once we've gone through our 8-minute AMRAP, then we have a core finisher of 3 max effort plank attempts. So you can either be in the high plank position, or you can be on the forearms. Once you've chosen which one you want to do, you need to stay in that position for as long as you can hold it. Rest as much as you need in between efforts, or the coach will give you a bit of a timeline guidance depending on what time's left in the class. Alrighty guys, so any questions, let us know. Otherwise, this is going to be spicy. Thinking about the barbell weights for power cleans versus squat cleans. The first AMRAP, you're going to be able to move a little bit faster through. That one's going to get a little bit more in the lungs, just like fast cardio. The second one, a little bit more technical, probably a little bit slower because we're going a little bit heavier, or just more technical for you. So just have a little bit of an idea of why the weight's going up, but obviously the rep increase is going down. So I would expect that to be a slower effort than the first round in terms of how quickly you can cycle through rounds. Okay, so just to give you a bit of an idea, it's going to be fun. I think you guys will enjoy it, and I hope you join me on Zoom.